Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you something really special. I have created a beautiful and professional home page in Microsoft Excel. And the best part is, whenever you click on any text on this home page, it automatically opens the corresponding practice sheet. Yes, just like a website inside Excel. So if you are a student, a teacher who wants to organize practice material, or anyone who simply wants to make their Excel files look more professional and easy to use, this video is going to be very useful for you. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because I am also going to share some design tips that will make your Excel sheets look amazing. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now let's take a closer look at one of these cards. Let's take the text functions card. As you can see, it currently shows the topic details. Now I clear all the formatting and content from this card so you can see what it looks like in its raw, unformatted state. See, now it's completely empty and plain with just default column width and row height. From here, select required cells and apply merge and center. Now I'll do the same for a few other cells as well, merging and centering them to create the different sections of this card, like the title area, the description area, and the button area. This combines multiple cells into one, which is perfect for creating the title and header areas of the card. Now I'll add fill colors to the top and bottom sections of the card. After this, I'll add a thick outside border around the card. This gives it a defined shape and makes it stand out from the rest of the home page. Now I'll start adding the text. First, I'll add the title, and then below that, I'll add the description text mentioning the functions covered, like left, right, mid, trim, upper and more. Now I'll add the letter A at the top of the card as the title indicator. Select all the text and apply middle alignment for vertical positioning. Select the title and increase its size. Make it bold and change the font color. Next, I'll select Text Functions and apply the required formatting. Then select the remaining data and apply formatting which suits the card. If you want to remove grid lines, go to the View tab and uncheck Grid Lines. Now entering Open Text Functions, this will be the clickable text that opens the corresponding practice sheet when clicked. Apply required formatting. Instead of just using the letter A, you can also add icons or symbols to make the card more visual. For example, in the text to column card, a scissors icon has been added to represent splitting data. If you want to do this, simply press the Windows key plus, dot, then select the icon that suits your topic. Similarly, you can see that symbols and icons have been used in all these cards to make them more visual and easy to recognize at a glance. Here, you can see I have used a shape with fill color for this area, and then entered the text directly on top of it. Here, I've added a text box with the letter X to represent Excel. To link this card, you can see I have a list of sheet tabs here at the bottom. Select the Open Text Functions text, or whatever text you want to link, and press Ctrl+K to open the hyperlink option. Now select the corresponding sheet from the list and click OK. Apply formatting if required. Now let's test it by clicking, and see, it opens the corresponding sheet. If you want to link back to the home page from any sheet, just press Ctrl+K, select Home Page from the list, and click OK. I have more than 13 sheets covering topics like formulas, VBA, and dashboards for advanced Excel practice. I'll be teaching all of this step by step in the upcoming series, so stay tuned and connected for the next uploads. Don't forget to subscribe for more.